Hey everybody, today I want to talk about the myth of compromise. Here's what that looks like. Now, we were all socialized, at least most of us, along the notion of that we have to compromise to get along, which means that I've got to give up something that's important to me, and you have to give up something that's important to you just so that we can get along. Now, here's where that breaks down. If my give up and your give up are both important to us individually, at some point, we're going to want whatever we gave up, we're going to want it back. And it's one of the reasons why compromises very rarely last. Here's a different way of looking at it. That's co-creation. When two people or groups of people come together with kind of a divergent view of a situation or an outcome, then what happens is now you're merging together different perspectives. And if done right, those different perspectives, once brought together, can create an entirely higher level outcome than what you would have had in any type of compromise. So what you're doing is you're putting together diverse views so that you can have an outcome that individually that you would have not had on your own. And that's what I like to call the myth of compromise, because we don't need to compromise to get along. What we need to do is work together and co-create for a higher level solution.